These are the Singapore math curriculum options in America. It follows a similar pattern to what they do in Singapore. What you notice is that the textbooks are actually very similar to Nigeria's curriculum. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Singapore math 6A. They have a textbook and a workbook, and 6B, they have a textbook and a workbook. And I'm going to go through the concepts on our channel, Counting to Calculus. However, please note that the concept in Singapore 6 and 5, you will notice some similarities. And so what I want to encourage parents to do is basically focus more on the concepts, not so much on just whether it's book 5 or book 6, but ask the question, does your child know how to find the diameter if the radius is 4? Okay, so that means they're working on the concept of parts of a circle and their relationships, right? The diameter of a circle is 18, find its radius. Okay, the child should be able to think through what does that mean. So we're going to discuss these concepts in more detail. And everyone in our curiosity program, which is those from primary 3 to primary 6, will get access to our pre-algebra textbook. And you will notice that these concepts are discussed in the pre-algebra textbook. So we'll be discussing more information on all these concepts: fractions, decimals, percents, ratios, proportions. So why don't we start from the top? We're going to go back, and as I said, we're going to work through book 5 and book 6. So let's start with some concepts discussing pre-algebra.